What if I told you that some YouTube channels are making thousands of dollars every month without ever showing their face, recording their voice, or even touching a camera? Sounds strange, right? But it's happening right now. Faceless YouTube channels powered by AI are quietly growing across the platform, and many of them are run by beginners working from a laptop. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start a faceless YouTube channel using AI step by step, even if you've never uploaded a video before. A few years ago, YouTube felt like a platform only for people who loved being on camera. If you wanted to grow a channel, you needed lighting, cameras, editing skills, and the confidence to talk to thousands of strangers online. But the platform has evolved. Today, there are entire channels that succeed without showing a face at all. These channels focus on storytelling, education, motivation, business lessons, technology explanations, and many other topics where the content matters more than the creator's appearance. Think about channels that explain history, share motivational stories, or break down complex ideas in simple ways. Most of them rely on voiceovers, stock footage, animations, or images instead of personal footage. That shift has opened the door for people who want to create content but prefer to stay behind the scenes. The first step to building a faceless YouTube channel is choosing the right niche. This is one of the most important decisions because the niche determines who your audience is and what type of content you'll create. Good niches usually have three things: strong viewer interest, clear demand, and the potential to earn money through ads or sponsorships. Popular faceless niches include personal finance, technology, productivity, business stories, educational content, and motivational videos. Instead of choosing a very broad niche, it often helps to narrow the focus. For example, instead of creating a general technology channel, you might focus on explaining AI tools, sharing tech facts, or reviewing digital productivity apps. Narrow niches make it easier to attract a specific audience and grow faster because viewers know exactly what your channel is about. Once you choose a niche, the next challenge is coming up with video ideas consistently. This is where AI becomes incredibly useful. AI tools can generate dozens of video topics within seconds. Instead of staring at a blank page trying to think of ideas, you can ask AI to suggest trending topics in your niche or generate curiosity-driven titles. For example, a productivity channel might create videos about time management tricks, focus habits, or digital tools that help people work smarter. The next step is writing the script for your video. A good script is like a roadmap for the entire video. It keeps the story organized and ensures viewers stay engaged from beginning to end. AI tools can generate structured scripts with hooks, main sections, and conclusions. However, the best approach is to treat AI as a starting point rather than copying the script word for word. After generating the draft, you should edit and refine it to make it sound natural and engaging. This combination of AI drafting and human editing allows you to create scripts much faster than writing everything manually. Many beginners worry about recording their voice for videos, but that's no longer necessary. AI voice generators can turn written scripts into realistic voiceovers. These tools offer multiple voices and tones, allowing you to choose a style that fits your channel. Some creators still prefer using their own voice because it adds personality, but AI voiceovers have improved dramatically and are widely used in faceless channels today. Once the narration is ready, the next step is creating the visuals for your video. Faceless channels usually combine stock footage, images, simple animations, and background clips that match the topic. For example, if the video is about productivity or business success, you might show clips of people working, city scenes, office environments, or animated graphics. These visuals support the story while keeping the viewer engaged. Editing the video used to be one of the biggest barriers for beginners, but modern editing tools have simplified the process. Many platforms now offer drag-and-drop editing, where you simply place your voiceover on the timeline and match it with relevant visuals. Some AI tools even suggest clips or automatically generate captions. The goal isn't to create complex cinematic edits. Instead, the focus should be clarity, smooth transitions, and visuals that help explain the story. After the video is finished, optimization becomes extremely important. YouTube is essentially a search engine for videos, which means titles, descriptions, and thumbnails play a huge role in whether people click your content. A strong title should spark curiosity while clearly explaining what the video offers. For example, a title like 5 AI Tools That Save You 10 Hours Per Week immediately tells viewers what they'll learn and creates curiosity about the tools being mentioned. Thumbnails also make a massive difference in click-through rate. Simple designs with bold text, clear images, and strong contrast often perform best. Even a great video can struggle if the thumbnail and title fail to attract attention. Consistency is another key factor for growing a faceless YouTube channel. Many beginners upload a few videos and then quit when they don't see immediate results. But YouTube growth usually takes time because the algorithm needs data to understand who enjoys your content. Each new video increases the chances that the platform will recommend your channel to the right audience. Successful channels often follow a consistent schedule, uploading once or twice per week. Over time, those videos accumulate views, subscribers, and watch time. What seems slow at first can eventually build into a powerful content library that generates thousands of views every month. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is focusing too much on fancy editing instead of valuable content. Viewers care more about useful information, interesting stories, or helpful advice than complex visuals. A simple video with a strong script often performs better than a highly edited video with weak content. Another common mistake is copying what everyone else is doing, instead of adding a unique angle. The most successful faceless channels usually bring a different perspective, storytelling style, or niche focus that makes them stand out. The real reason faceless channels work so well today is because technology has made content creation faster and more accessible than ever. AI can help generate ideas, structure scripts, produce voiceovers, and speed up editing. Instead of spending days creating one video, creators can focus on producing consistent, valuable content that grows over time. The main takeaway is simple. Starting a faceless YouTube channel with AI is no longer complicated or expensive. With the right niche, consistent ideas, and tools that simplify production, almost anyone can begin building a channel today. If you found value in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to learn the exact AI tools that can help you create your first faceless video even faster, check out the next video on the screen right now.